around it otherwise create a negative climate for organizational performance. So the first style of leadership says that there must be in obedience and focus on achievement in the role of the leaders, and they believe on self-control. So these kind of behavior can easily perform in a better way during times of crisis. The second style of leadership is authoritative leaders, considered to be one of the most effective style. Inspire employees to follow a vision, facilities change, and create a strong positive performance climate. The second style which Daniel suggests us that style is authoritative. There will be authority in the nature, in the role of the leaders, and due to this authority or nature, their style will be more effective. Inspire employees to follow a vision, facility change, and create a strong positive performance. The next is the affirmative leader, values people, their emotions, and their needs, and relies on friendship and trust to promote flexibility, innovation, and risk taking. In the first style, basically, the leader is of obedience in nature, focusing on their task and also believing on self-control. The second style is authoritative. There will always be they will always be in a commanding position, giving direction or giving order to their employees. The third one is some type of friendship style. In this style, the leader values people, their emotion, their need, and relies on friendship and trust to promote flexibility, innovation, and risk taking. So there will be some type of friendship between the board of director and their employees. The fourth one is democratic leader, and these leader relies on participation and teamwork to reach collaborative decisions. This style focus on communications and create a positive climate for achieving results. So the fourth leadership style is democratic, and these leaders always move their task with their teams for achieving their desired goals. This style focuses on communication and create a positive climate for achieving results. Fifth, these type of leader can create a negative climate because of the high standard that he or she sets. This style work best for attaining quick result from highly motivated individual who value achievement and take the initiative. So the fifth style which Daniel suggests is those type of leaders who set some high standard, and due to this high standard there may be a possibility of negative climate in the organization, but this style work best for attaining quick result from highly motivated individual. If the subordinate under that kind of person is highly motivated, then this person can quickly achieve their result. The sixth type of leadership style is the coaching leader builds a positive climate by developing skill to foster long-term success, delegating responsibility and skillfully issuing challenging assignment. So basically, these are the 6 different style of the leader, in the role of the leader, and how these styles impact the performance of the organization. So in our next topic,